So, what is this very pressing announcement that I'm going to make? Now, I'm going to tell you what it is and then I'm going to start yapping afterwards, okay? In the description below, you guys will be able to fill out a form. And what this form is, I will essentially choose one person to mentor for free at no cost to that person. Yes, I know. Crazy, right? Who's doing that? Nobody does that, right? And I mean it. I mean, I will not charge you a single dime. Nothing is going to come out of your pocket. Like, this really is a dream come true for some people. And some of you guys might be wondering, well, why am I doing that? Right? Why am I doing that? What's my end goal? My end goal at the end of the day, guys, is to help you guys get out of being broke. All right. But more than anything, this is just a project that I have been working on for a very, very, very long time. That's the whole point of my videos. It's so that way you guys can look at them and then I can refer you to something specific that there's something you've been struggling with. I can say, hey, look at this video or look at that other video, whatever the case may be. Now, you guys might also be wondering, well, why just one person? Like, is this a one-time thing? What's up with that? So, no, this is not a one-time thing. This is actually something I'm planning on doing for hopefully for a long time. I don't know what that actually looks like, but it is something that I am planning on doing for a while, and it is something that I want to scale at some point. So for now, I'm only going to take one person, right? And depending on how fast that person learns will also depend on how fast I'll get another person, and so on and so forth. And since this is like going to be a little bit more of a trial, test and trial, if it works out perfectly fine and works out well, I'm able to like figure out any problems that comes up with this new project. Then I'll continue doing it for sure. But if for some reason something happens and I'm like, man, you know what, this was not a good idea, like I'm just not gonna bother with it anymore. I'm just gonna do something else or just come up with something different to do in terms of like new projects for YouTube and Rumble. By the way, follow me on Rumble as well, and follow my Social Truth channel because will also be working on that as well. I have some pretty cool stuff coming out on that. But yeah, like if this works out well, then sure, I will definitely continue doing it, and I want to also be able to mentor more people at once. So if this goes well, I'll be able to add maybe two people next time, or three people, or groups of four or five, or have different groups. So one group of three, another group of three, and then another group of three, something like that. But first things first, I have to see how this works, how well this goes. And if this does go as planned, and like I said, I'm able to work out any problems that comes from this, then I will definitely continue and hopefully make this a bigger thing. But yeah, guys, so if you guys want, go down in the description, check out the form, and if you are selected, you will be announced in the Discord, and you'll DM me and we'll take it on from there. And another thing, I do have another form that you guys will have to fill out after you are accepted to be mentored by me. So yeah, and now maybe I should actually go through like the questions here because some of you guys are going to be like, what's up with these questions, bro? Like, these are strange questions to ask. Give me a second here. And it is going to require you to have your, to log in with your Google account. Let me see here. Let me switch the. All right. So, if you guys are wondering, why did I add this section? So, I do speak Spanish pretty fluently. So, if you're someone that speaks Spanish and want to be part of this mentorship, I will also possibly give you a shot as well. Now, keep in mind, guys, with this mentorship as well, I will probably be recording some of the sessions that we have. And so you have to be comfortable with like you being on either you guys can like you guys don't have to be like on camera, but you guys are gonna have to be okay with knowing that I will be recording the session, like the audio will be recorded and all that stuff. So I'll probably like cut a few things here and there and then refine it a little bit and then upload it to YouTube. If there's something that you guys don't want uploaded, then yeah, you can tell me. We'll discuss it or whatever. But for the most part, I think a good bit of our sessions will be recorded. So, that way others can see what it's going to be like in the mentorship. And then they could also learn as well from the mentorships that I'm going to be giving out. So, by name you want to be used, I am not talking about pronouns. If you tell me you want to be called by your pronouns, I'm sorry, I'm just not going to do that. That's just ridiculous, okay? Love me, hate me, whatever, I don't care. Just give me a name, okay? Just give me a name. That's what I'm going to refer to you as. The country that you live in. Let's see. Now, you might be wondering, why the heck do you want to know if I have any psychological problems? Reason why I ask this is because we all know day trading can come with a serious toll on your mental state. When it comes to drawdown, losses, even wins, not having any trades to take, like that will affect you guys. So I need to know if you're like mentally ill, because this could make it worse for you if for whatever reason like you guys can't handle the mentorship. Like, I'm afraid that if you're someone that has some serious mental problems, like depression for instance, and then you go through like a depression phase in trading, this might just be the thing that'll push you on edge, and I don't want anything to happen to any of you guys, and I definitely don't want to be responsible for it either. So yeah, I need to know if you and I definitely need to know if you have a full-time or part-time job. I just want to collect data, as much data as I can. Okay. How much you make a year? Now you might be wondering, well, why do I need to know how much you make a year? Reason being is because I know that everything, guys. This really ties to like psychology. Like everything that you answer here has some kind of psychological effect that I take into account. So it's very important. Now, for the availability, guys, just keep in mind, and I'm gonna be very honest. Like the morning stuff, I might have some time throughout the week to do morning sessions, but if you only have the option to do only morning stuff, I will probably more than likely only be able to do it on the weekends. Okay. And as some of you guys know, I have other business ventures that I work on. I'm very busy. I have family that I take care of, and that takes up a lot of time too as well. So, the fact that I'm even doing this is ridiculous because it's gonna take up a good bit of time. I think. I don't know yet. We'll see how it goes, but considering how busy I am, I'm a madman for even doing this. But I just do it for the love of the game, to be honest with you. And have you ever studied my entire beginners playlist? Guys, you should be able to find my beginners playlist in the description below. Very important that you watch my beginners playlist. You have to watch my beginners playlist. If you have not watched my beginners playlist, do not sign up for this. Please don't, because I will make you sign up for it. And yeah, it's just gonna avoid a whole lot of problems, guys. The first person I mentored, as you guys know, I made him watch my playlist, and that was even before. Like that's like when I first started my content, and even then, it helped him out so much. It got him funded. It got him a payout. And I decided, you know what? I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna refine all those videos, and I have, and now the content is even better. So imagine what you can do now with the content that I've refined. So check it out. Watch the entire playlist. You guys don't have to take notes. I literally add download links in the descriptions, so that way you can download the presentations and you can just go over the notes or the presentation itself and just memorize whatever you want to memorize. Okay. So, yeah. Other than that, I was going to do a weekly forecast, but I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna go smoke a stogie real quick, and so I kind of don't feel like doing the forecast right now. Plus, I have a few other things that I'm working on, preparing for this whole thing that I just announced. So yeah. And by the way, guys, starting now, I'm gonna give it a month. Okay, I'm gonna let people sign up. I'm gonna give it a month. So I guess next month, October 21st, I will announce the person for this one-on-one mentorship. Okay, we'll announce it on the Discord. So join the Discord. And if you have any questions, guys, join the Discord as well. You can reach out to me there. It's probably the best way to get a hold of me, if I'm being honest. Twitter, if I'm on Twitter, it's mostly for like politics and stuff like that. So follow me on all socials, and let's see what else I have. I think that's probably it. Again, follow my social truth account. I'll probably be changing the name at some point, but follow that account. And what else? I think that's it, guys. If there's things that you want to see in the future live streams, future content, let me know, man. Let me know, and I'll definitely try to add on to it. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's all I have for you. What else? What else? I think I'm missing some, but I'm guessing I'll just announce it in the Discord if anything. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you. Very, very, very exciting times. I don't think you know. I have yet to see anyone that's willing to do something like this. So take advantage of it, man. Please be patient as well. This takes time, but hopefully I will get to see you guys soon, and hopefully this works out. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Take it easy, guys. Take care. Peace. Love y'all, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.